Alright, so I just received the Mux Mixer here. I ordered that last Monday. Got it here on Tuesday.
Daddy, look. Roland.
Hey, Roland. Here's Preston here. And Roland here, the assist. Come with 2 boxes. So we'll take a look, disassemble it, and see how long it takes to put it together. And see if we can get it going today or tomorrow. So just open this up. Pretty rough packaging. Yes, everything just fell apart like that.
You mommy go Thailand.
We got these bolts, got this. Comes with this. So we'll see if everything is in here. It's like everything in the box here. I'm gonna unbox this pretty quick. This is how it is packaged like. Got rained on a little bit, but it should be alright. Take this off for here. Remove all this stuff. All this plastic right here. Gotta cover over the knob here. Hey! This here. What you got doing? You having fun?
What?
Okay, here, there's a couple more here.
Daddy, out here.
Wait, here, share.
Pop it.
Oh, this is how it came out like. It's got test GF5 plug connection to keep the cable in place.
Daddy,
All these other stuff here. Hose connection. Got this plate here, so I just got to put it together and see how it goes. And this is, I'm not sure what this is for. I guess this is for the water adjustment. All the way off to 50, okay. So we'll take a look. It looks like we just put these bolts right here in here and tighten them down like that. Then we put the plate on. Okay, now that I have this handle on, what are you guys doing out there? I gotta put this plate right here on here and put the J bolts, M10, 50 bolts on here. Tighten it down. So let's see. Okay, so this plate right here has to go to one direction only. So it looks like I got it on the brown way. It looks like it has to be on this way. Got this latch right here. It's right here for the lock. This plate on here. Gotta put this large plastic piece right here on the bottom. Okay, so there's the webbing here. Looks like the black webbing has to be down. So it's gonna be this way. So I'm gonna lift this mixer, put it on here, then put the bolts on. See how that goes. Now that I got that lined up, I guess we gotta get these. I'm not sure where there's 2 washers here, but he's in here. And the spring in here. So get that on there, like that. Just gotta tighten it up just a bit, just enough, so it doesn't fall. I believe that's how it goes. This shouldn't get loose because it's a lock washer, but tighten it up a little bit more. Yeah. It's almost compressed but not completely. Okay, this is it right here. Almost compressed but not completely. Is that right? We'll see. See how this turns. Right. This is a locking mechanism. Okay, there goes the mixer. It's all set up. So I just got to test it out, see how it looks.